गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज। एज वी हैव स्टडी अर्लियर, वी आर गोइंग थ्रू एनिमल टिश्यूज, animal tissues. The third part of animal tissue is a connective tissue. Connective tissue, as the name referred here, connective means to joint. Means those tissues which connect one to another. Which connect one part to another part. These connections are of different type and the function of different on the basis of their connectivity. Like they connect bones to bones, they connect bones with muscles, bones to muscles, they connect muscles with muscles and muscles with organs. Such kind of connectivity in an animal tissue is called connective tissue. On the basis of their basic structure, on the basis of structure, they are of following types. They are of following types. For example, first, areolar connective tissue. Second, dense connective tissue. Third, adipose connective tissue. Fourth, skeletal connective tissue. And the last one, fluid connective tissue. We are just go through your first one, means areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue. The first one, the part they are widely distributed connective tissue. They are loosely packed, so they are called as loose connective tissue. These alveolar connective tissues have several cells like which engulf bacteria. Means if any kind of bacterial infection, they engulf it or destroy it to prevent infection. Now the location. It bind various tissues together after injury. It help in the repair of body tissue. At the time of injury, it also repair the body tissues. What we have to do in this? Animal tissues. The third one, connective tissues. Connective tissues means the tissues which join one part to the another part. They join bones to bones, bones to muscles, muscles to muscles, muscles to organ and various other parts of the body. On the basis of their structure, they are of following types. First, areolar connective tissue. Second, dense connective tissue. Third, adipose connective tissue. Fourth, skeleton connective tissue. And a fifth, fluid connective tissue. First, areolar connective tissue. They are widely distributed. Connective tissue means in a human body, most abundant connective tissues are areolar connective tissue. They are loosely packed, so they are also known as loose connective tissue. They having several kind of cells which engulf bacteria. So we can say they are phagocytic in nature. Location, it bind various tissues together means or in a whole body areolar connective tissues are present. At the time of injury, any kind of injury, it's help to repair the body tissues or it help to healing. So they have healing nature also. The next one is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. So dense connective tissue, obvious name suggests that they are dense in nature, means they are not loosely packed. They are densely packed, fibrous tissues. Next, they are the principal component of ligament and tendon. They are the most important fibrous dense connective tissue, tendon and ligament. We just study what the function of these two. First of all, we do ligaments. Ligaments, L word says that they have low cells more as compared to rigid cells. So we can say they are elastic in nature. Elastic nature reason they have more elastin fibers. They have more elastin fibers here. Their main function, they connect bone to bone. Means the main function of these tissues are they connect bones to bones here. Next, they have less intercellular space and with little matrix. They have a less amount of matrix here, and they have less intercellular space. They have less intercellular space. That's why they are in elastin fibers. Next, ligament elastin and collagen fibers are bound together bound together by areolar connective tissues. Means ligament in ligaments elastin and collagen fiber are bound together. They both are present, as we discussed more elastin fiber here, by areolar connective tissue. Means they are areolar connective tissue again present here. Fibroblast, most important term in this topic, and that's a ligament. Fibroblasts are compressed in between, is a present in between regular row of fibers. Regular row of fibers means they are just like to be that. They are ligaments. Yeah, so what we have to do in this dense connective tissue, they are densely packed fibrous tissue. They are the principal component of that is ligament and tendons. Ligament, actual the structure of hair when we have to do elastin fiber and collagen fiber. Elastin fibers are simple and smooth. Collagen fibers are, sorry, these are the elastin fibers, just like to be. The collagen fibers are like to be this. These are the elastin fibers. They connect to bones, so they need to be a more strength here. Next one, ligaments. Elastin and collagen fiber both are bound with areolar connective tissue. Fibroblasts are the compressed in between regular row in fibers. The next one, tendons. They are strong, inelastic structure. Means ligaments are elastic in nature, but the tendons are not to be elastic in nature here. Next one, the joint, muscles with bones, muscles with bones. Next of all, it is white fibrous tissue with less flexibility, means they have no flexibility because they are inelastic in nature. They are bounded by areolar connective tissues. They are bounded by areolar connective tissues. Ligaments function, they attach bones to bones, and tendon attach bones with muscles. So as we draw a diagram here, हम इसको मार्क कर देते हैं. इट्स अ बोन फर्स्ट, इट्स अ बोन सेकेंड. In between the bones, this one is ligament. This one is ligament. And these muscles attached with bones, so they are tendons. Tendons having legs flexible, and ligaments have more flexible here. The next one, third, is adipose tissues. Actual adipose word refer to fat, means fat depositing tissues, we can say here. They are formed by fat cells or tissues. Next one, they are rounded or oval shaped. Next, these tissues carry blood vessels. They contain single large globule. Single large globule. Adipose tissues contains fibroblasts. They form elastin fiber and collagen fibers. Macrophages. Macrophages means two which engulf bacterial or infected cells. Next, collagen, and if they having fibroblasts, so they also have elastin and collagen fibers here. Here we write down their location. Location is present in below or between the organs, because as the name suggests they are form of fat cell or fat tissues or adipose tissues. So their main function is shock absorber. Their main function is shock absorber. Next is they are around blood vessels. Next, with blood vessel, kidney or yellow bone marrow. Therefore, hump of camel. Even whale fins, blubber we know as a blubber of whales, also made up of adipose tissues. So tendons are strong inter in elastic structure. In elastic means non-movable structure. Non-movable structure here. The joint muscle with bones. They joint muscle with bone. It is white fibrous tissue with less flexibility. They are bounded by areolar connective tissues, adipose tissues. Next of all, adipose tissues made up of the fat cells or fat tissues, which are known as adipose tissues, or we can say adipocytes. Adipocytes. They are rounded or oval structures. These tissues carry blood vessels. They contain single large globule. Means if there is a skeletal structure, then there is a large globule. They also having fibroblast. Fibroblast cells form elastin fiber and collagen fiber, and a macrophages. Macrophages to engulf infected cells. So they having fibroblast, macrophages, elastin fiber and collagen fibers. Location. They present in below or between the organs. They present in below and between the organs. They round blood vessels. They around blood vessels, kidney and a yellow bone marrow. They form hump of camel. And the last one, we mention it here, blubber of whale. Hump of camel, which provided water or strength, energy in deserted area, and blubber of whale, which help in to swim in water very fastly or highly. Means maximum body part of a whale is made up of adipose tissues here. Guys, in our next video we will talk about the next part, skeleton tissues, type of skeleton tissues, and a fluid connective tissues here.